Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2018 Kia Soul. This one is white. Underneath the hood is a 1.6 turbo 4-cylinder with 201 horsepower. For wheels we've got 18-inch multi-spoke alloy wheels. Soul badging on the side. A black with red stitching interior. Panorama sunroof. Kia Soul badging in the back. Open up the tailgate. Clean set of floor mats. 60/40 fold down rear seats. Keyless entry. Power windows. Harman Kardon sound system. Power seats. Heated steering wheel. Steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities. A push start ignition. Touchscreen media display. Rear view backup camera. Navigation. Climate controls. Heated seats. Auxiliary and USB ports. Automatic transmission. This Kia Soul has 48,888 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this Kia Soul, visit us at feldmannimports.com.